Let us consider this problem expressed in the form of r cos theta, r of cos theta plus I sin theta. So the given number is I 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. As we already know, r of cos theta, that is r cos theta plus r sin theta. R cos theta is the real part of the complex number, and r sin theta is the imaginary part of a complex number that is associated with I is nothing but square root of minus 1. Now the given number is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. Okay, so what we have to do is first rationalize the denominator. So 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I, multiply and divide by 1 plus I and 1 plus I. So that becomes, now this is 1 plus I whole squared, and this one is I squared, and 1 squared minus I squared, that is 1 minus I squared. Okay, now since I squared is equal to minus 1, so 1 minus of minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. Therefore 1, and we can expand simultaneously 1 plus I squared, that is the numerator, by using the algebraic formula, that is a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So 1 plus I squared means 1 squared plus I squared, that is minus 1. Anyway, we put like this, I squared plus 2I. Okay, whole divided by, and what about this? This is 1 of minus 1. So it becomes 1, and this is I squared is equal to minus 1. We can put minus 1 and plus 2I. So whole divided by 2. So minus of minus plus. So 1 plus 1, 2. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 cancelled. So 2I divided by 2. That is equal to I. The 2 can be cancelled here. Okay. So now we can write this in the form of what? That is I. So we have converted this into I. Is it not? So this is the image. Now let us expand this. We have reduced this I plus, that is 1 plus I, and divided by 1 minus I. As we have converted this into I, and this can be written as 0 plus I, that is 0 plus 1I. Is it not? So we can compare this with the polar form. Therefore 0 plus I is equal to, you can expand it, r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. Okay, so in that case r cos theta is equal to 0, and similarly let us compare the imaginary part. So I cancel, so 1 is equal to, that is r sin theta is equal to 1. Okay, so in that case r cos theta is equal to what? 0, where r is equal to 1, because r cannot be 0, so only cos theta can be 0. Okay, and similarly if I put 0 here, then it becomes a 0 here, and that is why we have to keep this as 1. So r is equal to 1, and here also r is equal to 1. Then you can say that is cos theta is equal to 0, and here sin theta is equal to what? 1. Okay, so in which case the theta is equal to 0 for cos, that is for pi by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 2, and in this case theta is equal to pi by 2 for 1. Cos 90, is it not? That is equal to, sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so you can put theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so theta is equal to pi by 2. Now we can substitute here r by 1 and the theta by 90. Okay, that is pi by 2 radian. Okay, now let me, so you have to select suitably the theta. Therefore 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I is equal to r is 1 into cos of pi by 2 plus I sine of pi by 2. Okay, so you have to be very careful in substituting the value of r. So you can simply put that is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus I of sine pi by 2. Okay.